point that yes, service factors or service level engage arrangements, terms and conditions, those play a very, very important role apart from the the equipment itself, because that actually brings the confidence level among of the people. The satisfaction does not only be defined how much energy he's getting or she's going to save. It actually whether she's confident, having a feel good factor in having that appliance, that is very, very important. For example, if you are dealing with something, say giving deploying these appliances after that particular order is placed by a consumer, and if we say that this will be delivered in 72 hours time, then probably that clock starts from that. And after that, the warranties, the complaint handling systems, so on and so forth, all comes into the picture. And typically, as a energy service company like us, we put that responsibility back to back with the vendors. So now the point here is that to actually create that confidence level among the consumers, how coherently we are working with the vendors to ensure to adhere to their terms and conditions as per the contractual agreement is the very important thing. We have been successful to a certain extent, but there is a lot to work on this kind of thing. The point what you people are the speakers are making it here is that the quantification or the quantified energy saving, which is tangible, which is visible to the consumer. So that actually gives another level of satisfaction because it directly impacts to his pocket, his money is paying to this. But as we see, we have actually, and that is precisely the ESCO concept, the energy servicing company worldwide. It is called as a guaranteed saving approach. So, but the guaranteed saving approach has its own difficulties because there you must have to have a monitoring protocol. There are certain parameters which will impact those monitoring factors and so on and so forth. So those things are unfortunately not available in India or not established in India. So that is why the ESCO business, ESCO market in India has not taken a leapfrog approach if we see it in the past. What ESL actually tried to do, then whether we want to develop those kind of protocols and then go for energy efficiency, capturing the energy efficiency market, or let's redefine the ESCO thing and have this market established, then we'll go to the next level of quantified energy saving and all these things. So that is why our approach was based on the deemed saving approach, and which we have been successful in convincing to the people. But as I say, this is not helpful or not suitable for all kind of projects. Probably when it comes to a high-end products like air conditioner, even in the ceiling fan, people want to know what is the exact saving what they are getting. So that probably can be documented, can be demonstrated with some kind of good pilots, and that can be made visible or made available to the people. It may not be that every appliances can be monitored what is the energy saving it is giving, but probably it can be showcased in a proper way, scientific way, and logically,